Hello travellers, so today I got some special news and that is, as you may have seen, I've decided to change the name of the channel and my website to Packing Less rather than Packing Light, and the main reason for that is because packingless.com is a .com, so it's a bit more marketable, and I feel like it kind of shows more of what we do here, which is packing less rather than just making your bag lighter. Also, when I used to tell people about the name Packing Less, there was always a bit of a problem with the spelling, so they didn't know it was L-I-T-E or L-I-G-H-T. So just little things like that. Packing Less is a bit more straightforward and easy to remember. And so I decided to go with that. So I also updated the camera. This is the A6400 from Sony, and it has a built-in microphone jack and a flip-up screen so I can see what I'm doing and I can plug in a better microphone. So I may also do a review of the different microphones for this camera. So do let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing that. And I also do have some new exciting reviews upcoming. So I have several Outlier products, a couple of pairs of pants, and a couple of shirts, and the grid linen towel. So I'm very excited to have those coming up in the next few weeks. I'm also thinking about doing some more technology-based reviews. So I have the Sony noise cancelling headphones here, and I was thinking about doing a bit more tech-related travel gear reviews. So if you are interested in seeing reviews of more tech-related stuff, do let me know in the comments. And finally, I am kind of planning to relaunch my Kickstarter with the Keep Fold backpack. As you may remember before, I did a 21 litre backpack, and I had a lot of great feedback from that. One of the main things people said what they wanted was a second option which was larger. So I am thinking of doing a second bag in addition to the original one. So it'd be like a 2-bag Kickstarter, one a sort of 20-25 litre, and the other one being a slightly larger sort of 30-35 litre bag. So do let me know in the comments what are some features you would like to see on those bags, keeping in mind that the main feature of them is for them to be lightweight, so less unnecessary features is what I'm going for, sort of a minimalist bag. So lastly, I just wanted to touch on a couple of goals that I have for this channel. And right now we have about 5,600 and something subscribers, and thank you so much for that. I never thought I'd even get to 5,000. So I'm setting a goal of trying to get to 10,000. I think that's somewhat achievable. If I look at the Social Blade stats, it says that at the current rate I will reach 10,000 in 2021, I think it is, or 2020. So yeah, if you would like to help me reach that goal, please share this with your friends and be sure to stay subscribed. I'm also planning to release a new video every week, at least once a week. Right at the moment I'm kind of aiming for Friday or Saturday, so we'll see how that goes. But I would like to try and do one a week. And with that, I'm also trying to think of more content that I can put out. So I'm thinking of doing something along the lines of, packing tips, how to pack certain things, like how to pack a toiletry bag or something like that. I was also thinking about the idea of not exactly vlogging, but kind of like introducing like a city. So for example, since I'm in Sydney, I could do like a Sydney guide, so more travel-based kind of stuff, or just sort of more kind of local knowledge kind of stuff. So if I do go traveling this year, which I do plan to, I'd like to do, so for example, in Bangkok, like a local eats kind of thing, showing off cheap or interesting or delicious places to eat, so things like that. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts on that are, or if you have any other ideas. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and please stay subscribed, share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, and let me know what you think about the camera quality. It should be pretty much the same as the previous one. But thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully next week.